Hello students, this is the 21st part of permutations and combinations. Today I am going to explain problems based on combinations. Today's first problem: find the number of ways of selecting a committee of 6 members out of 10 members, always including a specified member. Okay students, total from 10 we want make a committee of 6 without condition. I can say 10C6 without condition. From 10 members we want make a committee of 6, just directly I can say 10C6, but what is given? A specified member always should include with a specified member. So what is the condition? What is the answer for this? Specified member means one of the, for example, persons are P1, so on P10. For I assume that P1 only specified person. So P1 already selected, separate them, P1. Now P2, so on P10. So total 9 persons are there. Now we want committee of 6 actually. Already one person is included. We need 5 members. From 9 we need to select 5. So that is the answer for the problem. 9C, 5 ways you can select. Okay, this is the answer for the problem number 1. Yeah, problem number 2. Find the number of ways of selecting 5 books from 9 different mathematical books such that a particular book is not included. So directly I want to write answer for the students. Here I have M1, M2, so on, M9 books are there. All are mathematics books only. We want select 5, but the condition is a particular book should not include. So M1 should not include. For example, this is a particular book, so M1 should not include. Means with us now we have 8 books now. From 8 different books we want to select 5. So 8C5 ways you can select. This is the required number of combinations. Okay. So next question students, how many 5-letter words can be formed by using 3 consonants and 2 vowels from the letter of the word mixture? Okay, first of all, given word, sorry, actually you need to write in cap letters. Okay, yeah students, given word actually, that is okay, given word. Okay, so I want to write consonants and vowels separately. I, U, E, R vowels, M, X, T, R consonants. Count nana. Year 3, year 4, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what you want? You want make a letter 5 letter word you want make. But here how many are there nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Without conditions 7C5, but with conditions we want to make a 5-letter word nana. So for that 5-letter word should containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels. 3 plus 2, 5 only. Okay. So what happened? From these 3 vowels we want select 2. From these 4 consonants we want select 3. So how many ways you can selection? First selection 3C2 into 4C3, selection completed. So what is the question? We want letter number of words you want, only selection completed. Words means these words themselves can arrange in 5 factorial ways. This after selecting the letters can themselves can arrange 5 factorial ways. Therefore 3C2 into 4C3 into 5 factorial ways you can create 5-letter words. So 3C2 value 3 only, 4C3 value 4 only. This is 120. 1440. I can say that 1440 words you can create. Next question, 10 persons are sitting in a row. Find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons out of them who are sitting adjacent to each other. Important concept. important problem and important concept. 10 persons are sitting in a row. Find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons out of them which are sitting adjacent to each other. For example, A, B, C, D are 4 persons. How many ways you can select 2 means I can say 4C2 ways I can select 2. 4C2 value is equal to what, Nana? 4 into 3 by 1 into 2, that is equal to 6. 6 ways I can select. What are they? A, B, A, C, A, D, B, C, B, D, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what you want? You want to find the number of selections so that they are adjacent to one another. A, B adjacent, A, C not adjacent, A, D not adjacent, B, C adjacent, B, D not adjacent, C, D adjacent. How many, Nana? Only 3 selections. Only 3 selections. Okay. What is the meaning of that? Listen, all of you. A, B 1 selection, B, C 1 selection, C, D 1 selection. Only 3. 4 persons are there. We want to select 2. 4C2 ways you can select. 6 ways you can select. That is not actual what you want here. We want to select 2 objects so they are adjacent to one another. So A, B, B, C, C, D. Only 3. 4 persons 3. 4 persons 3. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 persons are there. We want to select 2 means I can say 62 ways. But we want to select 2 so that they are adjacent to one another. So what I can say, one of them is A, B, another is B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F. Just 6 means we will get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means if n persons are there, A1, A2, so on, AN, we want select 2 of them so that they are adjacent to one another means I can say n minus 1 ways. You should remember like. That's why I wrote here important concept. From n persons, we want select 2 so that they are adjacent to one another equal to n minus 1. N minus 1. Okay. So for this problem, what I can say, Nana, 10 persons we want select 2 sitting adjacent to each other. So my answer solution for this problem is 9. Directly I can say 9. 10 minus 1. Okay. If 20 persons are there, listen students, we want to select 2 of them so that select 2 of them, that is one problem, that is 20 C2. Second one, select 2 of them so that they are adjacent to one another, I can say 19. 3, select 2 of them so that they are not adjacent, any 2 of them are not adjacent, any 2 of them not adjacent, what I can say, 20 C2 minus 19. This is the answer for the problem. This is important model learn. Okay, any 2 are not adjacent, 20 C2 minus 19. Okay, yeah, I think this is only that problem. 10 persons are sitting around a circle. This is different, circle problem different. In a row, find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons out of them which are adjacent is there. Okay, yeah, in a linearly means what are getting, you are n minus 1 are getting. Or circularly means what happened, I will show you. Here A, here B, here C, here D. Selection, AB1 selection, BC1 selection, CD1 selection, AD1 selection. AD 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you are getting. 4 selections so that the 2 are adjacent to one another. In linear sense what happened, Nana? 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Sorry, 4 minus 1. In circularly 4 only. 4 ways you can select 2 of them so that they are adjacent to one another. Okay. For example, A, B, C, D, E given, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We want to select 2 of them so that the adjacent means actually linearly what I wrote, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F. But in circularly, A and F are also adjacent. In circular sense, A, F. A here and F here only. Circular sense, A and F are also adjacent to one another. That's why in circular sense, how many ways you can select 2 means I can say 6 ways. 6 persons are there. We want to select 2 means simply 6C2. We want to select 2 of them so that they are adjacent to one another means I can say directly 6. N persons are there. We want select N persons around the 10 persons are there which are arranged around the circle. You want to select 2 of them so that they are adjacent to one another means I can say directly N only. N only. Okay. 10 persons are sitting around a circle. How many ways 2 persons be selected so that they are not adjacent? They are not adjacent. They are not adjacent. Adjacent means 10, Nana. They are not adjacent. So first of all, I want general selections are 10 C2. From that 10, I want to remove those 10. So what we will get? Those are the required number of arrangements. 10 persons are sitting around the circle. How many ways you can select 2 means 10C2 ways I can select. Among 10C2 there are 10 selections, so that they are adjacent to one another. Those are subtracted. The remaining all are so that they are not adjacent to one another. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. Find the number of ways of selecting 4 boys and 3 girls from a group of 8 boys and 8 girls. For this type of problem, students, we need to draw a small table. What is that? Boys 8, girls 5. We want to select 4 boys and 3 girls. Okay. So first of all, we want complete one operation selecting boys 4 from 8, that happen in 8C4 ways. 3 girls from 5, that is second operation. First operation comes second operation, 5C3. These two operations successfully you can perform 8C4 into 5C3 ways. That is 8C4 means you need to find a value 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4, 2, 8 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 2s are 5, 2s are 10, 70 into 5C3 or 5C2 are same, that is 10, that is equal to 700. There are 700 ways you can select none. Okay. In a class there are 50 students. If each student plays a game of chess with each other student, then find the total number of games played by them. Okay students, listen nana. A, B, C are 3 persons. Okay, they want to play a game with each another person. Only 2 persons can play that game. What is one of the game is AB game, AC game, BC game. Only 3 games. Only 3 games. A, B, C, D are 4 persons. You want to make a game of 2. How many games means AB, AC, AD, BC, CD, BC, CD. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more game. Actually, AB, AC, AD, BC, CD. I think AD not complete. AD completed now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is missing. Actually, how many games means 4C2 games. 4C2. What is the value of 4C2? 6 only. 6 should get. AB, AC, AD. Okay, 3 completed. BC, BD. BD, I forgot, right? BC, BD. After that, BC, BD. After that, CD. Okay, Nana. Actually, what I'm saying, there exist 6 games. So, what is the meaning of that? Only 2 persons can play the game. Chess means only 2 persons can play the game. No, chess means. How many games exist means I can say here 6 games. How many games exist here? I can say 3 games. What is the meaning of that? Selecting 2 from 4. Those many games. Select 2 from 4. That is 4C2 games. Selecting 2 from 3. 3C2 games. Like that. Okay. Yeah, students. What happened here? 50 students are there. 50. Say A1, A2, so on, A50. We want to find number of games that they can play. What type of game? That chess. Chess can play only 2 persons. Means we want to select 2 from 50. What is my answer? 50C2. 50C2 different games they can play. So what the answer means? 50 into 49 by 2. That is 25. 25 49s are 49. 25s are 45. 5 4s are 20. 24. 9 2s are 18. 4 2s are 8 9. Sorry, 5 2 5 2. Yeah, 1 2 2 5 games they can play. So same concept is applicable. Number of shake hands for a number of shake hands. For example, A, B, C, D, 4%. How many possible shake hands we can make? One person can shake hand with another. Means I can say that AB, AC, AD, BC, BD, CD only. What I can say, number of shake hands nothing but 4C2. Okay. So next problem. Find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 from 6 gentlemen and 3 ladies. Just want to make a committee of 5 from 6 gentlemen and from 3 ladies. No condition is given. No condition is given means what I can say? 9C5 ways I can make a committee. 9C5 without condition. Find the number of ways of making a committee of 5 from 6 gents and 3 ladies. No condition. So I can say 9C5 is the answer. For example, same problem is given like this. From 6 gentlemen, 3 ladies, so that 1 lady is compulsory. Lady is compulsory. Such a way that you want to make committees. How we can make that? For that you need to write a table first. So gentlemen are 6, ladies are 3. We want make a committee of 5 members committee. You want lady compulsory, 1 lady, 4 gentlemen. I can make a committee. 4 plus 1, 5 only, no. 2 lady, 3 gentlemen. 3 lady, 2 gentlemen. I can't make a committee with 4 lady because 4 ladies are there, only 3 ladies are there. Okay. So how to write the answer? Okay, Nana. First of all, one of the committee is with the 4 gents and 1 lady. One of the committee, that is 6C4 into 3C1. This is one of the committee, Nana. Plus another committee 6C3 into 3C2. Another committee 6C2 into 3C3. So what we will get? 6C4 or 6C2 same, 3C1 plus 6C3 into 3C1 plus 6C2 into 3C3. So I want to find the values. 6C2 means 6 by 5 into 1 into 2, 15 into 3 plus 6C3, 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 factorial, 6 get cancels, 20 into 3 plus 6C, what is this now? 62 means just now you got, that is 15 into 3C3, 1. What I can, 45 plus 60 plus 15, 40, 60, 120. There are 120 committees you can make, so that 1 lady is compulsory. So in this problem no condition is given, that's what I wrote 9C5. But with condition you can solve this type of problem. Okay, students. If n persons are sitting in a row, find the number of ways of selecting 2 persons so that they are not adjacent. So their adjacent means n minus 1 selections. Selecting 2 from n means NC2. What is my answer? NC2 minus n minus 1. NC2 minus n minus 1. First of all, I can select 2 from n in NC2 ways. In these selections, some selections are there, they are adjacent to one another also. Those should subtract. How many selections exist so that they are adjacent to one another means n minus 1 selections, already explained. So NC2 minus half n minus 1. This is the answer of the problem. Or sometimes you can simplify. NC2 means n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. 2 minus n minus 1. You can take n minus 1 common. N by 2 minus n by 2 by 2. So n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 2 ways you can select. Next, here our note is given. If n different objects are arranged along a line, that is important thing, then the number of pair of adjacent object which are consecutive or adjacent is n minus 1. What I explained is given here. Okay. Next, 30 persons are sitting around a circle. How many ways can 2 persons out of them be selected so that they are not adjacent? First of all, from 30 I want select to 2, I can select 30C2 ways. In this selection some selections are there so that 2 persons are adjacent to one another. Those should subtract. How many means 30? I already explained. 30C2 minus 30. This is the answer for the problem. Okay, students. So here that note is given. What is that? If n different objects are arranged along a circle, then the number of pair of objects which are consecutive or adjacent is n. I hope you people understood. Find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 members out of 6 Indian and 5 American, so that always the Indians will be majority in the committee. Okay. So you want a committee of 5 nana. Indians. How many Indians? 6 Indians. Americans 5. You want to make a committee of 5. That too Indians should be majority. So 1 American means 4 Indians. 2 American means 3 Indians. 3 American means 2 Indians. This won't happen because what is the condition here? Always Indian will be the majority in the committee. That's why you need to exclude this situation. So only 2 possibilities, Nana. What are they? 4 Indians, 1 American, or 3 Indians, 2 Americans. Okay. So first committee is 4 Indians and 1 American. First of all, I want to select 4 from 6. 6C4 into 5C1. This is the one of the committee plus second committee. 6C3 into 5C2. In this way, you can make a committee so that Indians are majority. 6C4 value 6C2 only into 5C1 plus 6C3 into 5C2. So this is 5 only. 6C2 I want by 1 into 2, that is 15, plus 6C3 I want 4 by 1 into 2, 20 into 10, this is 200, this is 75. So total what I can say 275 ways you can make a committee. So next problem, Nana. Find the number of ways of selecting a 11 members cricket team. 11 members cricket team from 7 batsmen, 6 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers, so that the team consisting of at least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. So first of all, to solve this type of problems, you need to draw a table, Nana, here. Okay, students, listen. So how many batsmen? Batsmen are 7. Bowlers are 6. Wicket keepers are 2. Now you want select 11 from this. The condition is at least 4. At least 4 bowlers. At least 4. 4 or more than 4. Bowlers should be 4 or plus 4. And wicket keepers and 2 wicket keepers. So that the contains at least 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. 2 wicket keepers compulsory. 2 wicket keeper compulsory, and bowlers are 4 or more. So I will take the case of bowler 4. There 4 plus 2, Nana, 6, 5 1. That 5 can be selected from batsman. 2 wicket keepers compulsory. Bowlers are 4 or plus bowlers. 5 bowlers is taken. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 I want 11. That's why I want choose 4 batsmen. So 2 wicket keepers, 6 bowlers, 6 plus 2, 8, 3 batsmen. Like that, if 2 wicket keepers, I can't select 7 bowlers because we have only 6 bowlers. What is the meaning of that? Selection is completed. Okay, now I want to write possible selections. One of the selection is actually 5, 4, 2 selection. One of the selection means 5 batsmen, 4 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers. This is one of the selection. These 5 bowlers can be selected from 7 in 7C5 ways. After selecting this, we want 4 bowlers. 4 bowlers can be selected from 6C4 ways. Okay, 2 wicket keeper can select from 2C1 ways. What is the meaning of that? So I want to write number of selections equal to 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2, one selection, plus 7C4 into 6C5 into 2C2, another selection, plus 7C3 into 6C6 into 2C2. I hope you people understood the concept. Okay, in this way you can select none, only selection. You need to simplify this. So interesting problem. I like this problem. I can call this problem as double-decker problem, double-decker bus problem. A double-decker minibus has 13 seats in the lower deck and 12 seats in the upper deck. In how many ways can a marriage party of 25% can be arranged if 4 old persons refuse to sit in the upper deck and 3 children wish to sit in the upper deck? Excellent problem, students. Listen, first of all I want to explain. This is a double-decker bus. Okay. So upper deck we have in double deck 13 seats. In upper deck we have 13 seats. In lower deck we have 12 seats. Okay. How many ways we can arrange? How many ways can a marriage party 25% be arranged? Arranged. So I want to use color. Arranged. Arranged. Important. Oh no. Arranged means permutations you want. Arranged. Okay, means how many ways you can accommodate the seats? 13 plus 12, 25, no? There are 25%, 25. How many ways you can arrange their seats? Okay, so that 4 old people refuse to sit upper deck. They don't want to sit 4 members in upper deck. 4 members, they don't like sit in upper deck. Okay, 3 children wish to sit in lower deck. Sorry, 3 children wish to sit in upper deck. They want to sit only upper deck. 3. These particular children want to sit in upper deck. These particular 4 old men, they don't want to sit in upper deck. They want to sit in lower deck. Such a way that we want arrange. It's interesting problem, students. Listen. First of all, your wish. You can fill lower deck first, and after that you can fill the upper deck, or you can fill the first upper deck and then I can fill the lower deck. That is not big issue. Okay. Listen, students. Total 25 passengers. 13 seats in upper deck. First of all, I want to fill upper deck. What should do now? First of all, allow these 3 members to sit in the upper deck. First of all, allow those 3 children sit them in the upper deck, and allow these 4 old members to sit in the lower deck. Okay, they taken their seats. 3 children taken their seats in upper deck. 3 seats completed now, and 4 persons older members taken their seats in lower deck. Okay. Now, how many seats are available in upper deck? Total 13 seats. 3 children they are taken seats. Now 10 seats will be left in upper deck. One thing. Okay. Okay, students. So in 12 seats, 4 seats are occupied by old member. Now 8 seats are left in lower deck. But how many persons are left with us now? So this 4 plus 3 is taken their places. 7 are taken their places. So 25 minus 7. So 18. So with us 18 persons are there. Now we want accommodate 18 persons. Now first of all, what should do, Nana? We want select 10 from 18 to fill the upper deck. We want select 10 from 18 to fill the upper deck. So how many ways you can select? 18. See, 10 ways you can select. I selected. I allow them to sit in the upper deck. So how many members gone, Nana? 10 members gone. Means how many? 18 minus 10, 8 members. Those 8 members can sit in these 8 seats. No? Just what I can say, these 8 members can sit in these 8 seats. Completed. Selection complete. Arrangement not complete. Selection completed. Only 8 seat and ways I can select. Okay. After that selection completed. After that, what should do? These 13 members can change their place in 13 factorial ways. Just the children want to sit in upper deck only, but the seating arrangement is not mentioned for those 3 children. That's why these 13 members can change their places in 13 factorial ways. Okay, bus seats are arranged in linearly only, no? Linearly. 3, 3, 3 like that. That's why what I can say that just arranging all the seats linearly. First seat, second seat, third seat, so on up to 10 seats, 13 seats. Seating number are there, means that is linear arrangements. 13 factorial. And these 12 persons can change their places in 12 factorial ways. Therefore, my answer is 18 seat 10 into 13 factorial into 12 factorial. This is the answer for the problem. Okay. Listen, what the interesting thing is, what I did first of all, I filled the upper deck first. If we fill lower deck, what happened? First of all, 3 children taken their place in upper deck, 4 old person taken their seats in lower deck. So now 4 plus 3, 7 persons taken their places. 18 members are there with us. Now I want to fill lower deck first. Here I filled first upper deck. Now I will fill lower deck. What happened? First of all, I want to select 8 from 10. 8 from 18. 8 from 18. How many ways? 18 see 8 ways you can select. I selected and allow them to sit in the lower deck. So remaining members what? 10, 18 means 8 to 10 members. Remaining 10 vacant seats are in upper deck. They can sit in those places. Okay, selection completed. Now arrangements. These 13 seats can arrange in 13 factorial ways. These 12 members can change their place 12 factorial ways. So this is the answer. These both are same because 8C 10 value and 18C 8 value both are same. No, NCR equal NCN minus R. NCR equal NCN minus R. 18C 8 and 18C 10 are both are same. That's why this is my final answer. So what I can say? 18C 10 into 13 factorial into 12 factorial ways you can accommodate. You want, you can write steps. How to write steps? That is interesting thing. First of all, allow 3 children to sit in the upper deck and 4 old members sit in the lower deck. So remaining persons 25 minus another 18. In the upper deck we have 10 seat vacant. In the lower deck we have 8 seat vacant. So to fill the upper deck first we want 10 from 18. That can be happen in 18C 10 ways, or selecting 10 from 18 that happen in 18C 10 ways. Okay, after remaining 8 members can sit in the lower deck. Okay, now in upper deck there are 13 passengers. They can change their place in 13 factorial ways. In lower deck there are 12 passengers. Their place can change their place in 12 factorial ways. Therefore, the required number of arrangements are 18C 10 into 13 factorial into 12 factorial. Yeah, students, our next problem. A person want to take 9 children to an exhibition by taking 3 at a time in all possible ways. How many times does a particular child go to the exhibition, and how many times does the person go to the exhibition? Students, listen. Here a person and 9 children are there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children are there. A person. So the person want to take these children to the exhibition, but with one condition: he can take only 3 at a time. 3 at a time. He can take only 3 at a time. What is the meaning of that? We want select 3 from these 9. How many ways you can select? 9C3 ways you can select. What happened? In 9C3 ways you can make 3 members a group. So what happened? This person can take to the exhibition 3 person in 9C3 ways. In 9C3 ways he will accommodate. Means what? In 9C3 ways he will go along with the students. So answer for the last problem. What is that? How many times the person go to the exhibition? Means I can say 9C3 ways, because 9C3 selections will get from 9. So how many times does the person go to the exhibition? Means I can say 9C3. The number of times person does go to the exhibition equal to directly 9C3 ways. Okay, this is one of the answer for the problem. So next, what is asking? How many times does a particular child go to the exhibition? A particular child. Who is that particular child? Is not mentioned. Assume that this is the particular child. This particular child should go always. So how many times does a particular child go to the exhibition? Means this particular child is separated. Actually he can take only 3 persons at a time. Already this person is specified person separated. So what you want? You want 2 from remaining 8. We want 2 from remaining 8. How many ways you can select? 8C2 ways you can select. What is the meaning of that? In 8C2 times the person will go to the exhibition. Okay. how many times does a particular person go to the exhibition means I can say 8C2. Okay, the number of times a particular child go to the exhibition. Direct what I can say na 8C2. This is the 8C2. We need to find its value. 8 into 7 by 1 into 2, 28 ways. 9C3. 9 into 8 into 7 by 6. 1 into 2 into 3. 3 3 0. 2 4 0. 12 7 0. So 84. So what I can say 84. One answer is 84 and the answer is 28.